Welcome back to Automatrix. Today we're diving into a classic reimagined, the 2025 Porsche 912. This modern take on a beloved icon blends vintage charm with contemporary performance, and we're here to explore every detail. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Porsche 912 captures the essence of its classic predecessor with a sleek, timeless design. The car features a refined silhouette with smooth lines and a slightly wider stance, giving it a more aggressive yet elegant presence. Up front, the iconic round headlights are complemented by modern LED technology, while the rear showcases a clean, understated look with a subtle rear spoiler. New color options and updated wheel designs enhance the car's classic appeal while adding a touch of modern sophistication. Inside, the 2025 912 offers a perfect blend of retro style and contemporary luxury. The cabin is a nod to Porsche's rich heritage, with a minimalist dashboard and analog gauges that pay homage to the original 912. However, it's updated with high-quality materials, including leather and brushed aluminum accents. The seats are ergonomically designed, providing both comfort and support for spirited driving. Modern features such as a large touchscreen infotainment system, advanced climate control, and a premium audio system are seamlessly integrated, ensuring that you get the best of both worlds. Under the hood, the 2025 Porsche 912 is powered by a 4.0-liter flat-six engine, delivering 420 horsepower and 350 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, offering a pure and engaging driving experience. The car's lightweight construction and rear-wheel drive layout contribute to its exceptional handling and agility. Whether you're navigating winding roads or cruising on the highway, the 912 provides a dynamic and responsive performance that honors its legendary lineage. As for pricing, the 2025 Porsche 912 starts at around $75,000. This positions it as a premium option in the sports car segment, but its blend of classic aesthetics, modern technology, and exhilarating performance makes it a compelling choice for enthusiasts seeking a unique driving experience. That's our look at the 2025 Porsche 912. If this modern classic has captured your imagination, be sure to like this video and subscribe to Automatrix for more in-depth reviews and automotive news. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.